Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making shrimp tostadas. You will need tomato, red onion, cilantro, avocado, lime, large white shrimp that's already been peeled and deveined, salt, black pepper, and corn tostadas. Exact measurements for all the ingredients will be listed in the description box. I'm going to start by seasoning the shrimp with salt and pepper. And then we're going to toss around the shrimp to make sure it gets evenly coated with the salt and pepper. Spray your pan with olive oil and place on medium heat. Once the pan is heated up, go ahead and add your shrimp. You don't want to overcrowd the pan because you want to create a sear on the shrimp. So if you have to do it in batches, that's fine. You want to cook them until they're pink or they're well seared on both sides, and then you're going to put them to the side and let them cool while you cut up the rest of the ingredients. Dice the tomatoes and place them in a medium bowl. Dice the onions and place them in the bowl. Mince the cilantro as finely as possible. Cut your avocado into large-sized cubes and place in the bowl. The shrimp should be chilled now, so you will cut those into small little bite-sized pieces and place them in the bowl. Season everything with salt and pepper. Add freshly squeezed lime juice. And mix all your ingredients together. And then place in the refrigerator to let it get cold. And then you're ready to serve. And there you have it, easy and delicious shrimp tostadas.